Children, welcome again in my next video for the students of class 8 part 2. In this part we will discuss reactivity series, displacement reaction, corrosion, prevention of corrosion and the method of corrosion by which we prevent the metals. Oiling and greasing, galvanizing, electroplating, L1. ओके तो इसमें एट फर्स्ट वी हैव डिस्कस्ड इन पार्ट 1 मेटल नॉन मेटल chemical properties, physical properties, how metals octaves, but in this part we will discuss the following terms. At first we will discuss about the series. Which series? Reactivity series, in which reactivity series, that series in which metals are arranged in decreasing order. In that series in which the arrangement of metals in decreasing order known as the reactivity series. And in this series we will learn the reactivity of metals, in which metals is more reactive and which metals are less reactive. At first you see here potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminum, carbon, zinc, iron, tin, lead, hydrogen, copper, mercury, angstrom, silver, aurum and platinum. So this is the series of reactivity power according to their reactivity, in which the uppermost metal are more reactive and below the hydrogen the metals are less reactive elements metals. At first reactivities in reactivity series we will discuss about the series in which when we arrange the metals in the decreasing order we find potassium is more reactive than sodium, sodium is more reactive than calcium, calcium is more reactive than magnesium. It means so potassium displaces sodium because they more reactive than sodium. Sodium displaces calcium, calcium displaces magnesium, so on. In which by the process of displace one elements by their higher elements known as the displacement reaction. Displacement reaction, that reaction in which more reactive elements displace less reactive elements for their solution, from their solution. It means एक ऐसा रिएक्शन जिसमें हायर एलिमेंट्स जो मोर रिएक्टिव एलिमेंट्स हैं लेस रिएक्टिव एलिमेंट्स को उसके सॉल्यूशन से रिमूव करा दे, उसके सॉल्यूशन से हटा दे. इस तरह के रिएक्शन को डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन कहा जाता है. यू सी हियर आयरन प्लस कॉपर सल्फेट, आयरन प्लस कॉपर सल्फेट. आयरन is more reactive than copper, then iron displaced the copper, then formed iron sulfate and release copper. Now you see here magnesium is more reactive than zinc sulfate. then you see zinc sulfate and magnesium release. So this type of reaction is known as the displacement reaction. Now we'll discuss about corrosion. Corrosion. What is the corrosion? The deterioration of metals known as the corrosion. Deterioration or defect of matter known as the corrosion. But for take place this process, use most two substances, oxygen, air and moistures. Absence of air and moistures, corrosion does not take place. Corrosion, that process in which metal detect and deteriorate. It means the deterioration of metal known as the corrosion, and also we say that the deterioration of metals in presence of air and moistures. Both factors are responsible for the corrosion, air and moistures, such as the red-brown layer covered to the iron object, which is called rusting of iron, and green coated of silver, black coated of copper. It means also we define green coated with copper, black coated with silver, and red brown color coated with iron, which is called rusting of iron. It means the green coated take place by the corrode of copper. Black coated take place by the corrode of silver. So air and moistures are most responsible for taking this process, corrosion. Prevention of corrosion. Now we'll discuss about prevention of corrosion. We will prevent to the metal from corrode by applying some methods: oiling and greasing, galvanizing, electroplating, alloying. Okay. Now we'll discuss about oiling and greasing. Oiling and greasing. The oil and grease are used on the surface of metal for prevent of the metal is known as the oiling and greasing. It means oil और grease का यूज मेटल पे करने से मेटल का कोरोड नहीं होता। इस ऑयल और ग्रीस का यूज करने के साथ ही हम प्रिवेंट कर सकते हैं किसको, मेटल को, बाय अप्लाइंग ऑयल एंड ग्रीस। गैल्वेनाइजिंग, दैट प्रोसेस in which zinc layer are zinc, it means the outer surface of the metal, a layer zinc are covered. A zinc layer is covered on the outer surface of the metal known as the galvanizing. यानी जिंक का लेयर आउटर सरफेस पे चढ़ाने की जो प्रोसेस है उसे गैल्वेनाइजिंग कहते हैं। इसमें जिंक का यूज होता है। इलेक्ट्रोप्लेटिंग, जिंक एंड एल्युमिनियम Zinc or aluminum are used for electroplating. Alvine. For prevention of corrosion, we use steel. It means alvine. Alvine, the combination of metal and non-metal, and formed a new metals. This is called alvine, and steel is the best example of alvine, in which the combination of nickel, chromium, and also there are many elements, but especially nickel and chromium. Now we'll discuss about the uses of metals and non-metal. What is the uses of metals? You see here iron, aluminum, copper. This is the form of metal. Oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus, sulfuric acid, diamond, chlorine. This is called non-metal. Iron. What is the use of iron? For making sails, aircrafts, machine, different types of machinery are made by iron. And the use of iron for making railway tracks also. Aluminium are used from electroplating and also used for making a wire by which electricity conduct, and the covers of the seat of sweets are also made by aluminum. Copper are used for making jewelries and utensils also. Combined in the form of combination, iron, zinc, manganese are used in our body for completing the action of metabolism. Metabolism is that action in which the formation or destroying action which both are take place. Now we will discuss about the uses of non-metal. At first we use oxygen. Oxygen is a non-metal which is used for breathing and also burning. Nitrogen used for making fertilizer, and there is a major source of nitrogen in our atmosphere which is 78%, and nitrogen controls the burning. Phosphorus are also used for our daily uses things. Sulfuric acid are made from, for making sulfuric acid we use hydrogen, sulfur and oxygen and made sulfuric acid. Diamond are used for cutting the glass because they are very tough, and it is known as the very tough substance in mankind. So diamond are used for making jewelries, and also they are used for cutting glasses especially. Chlorine are non-metal. Chlorine non-metal which is used for disinfections. It means they are used for their categories, their uses, and metals and non-metals are very uses for our daily works, daily things. It means oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus, sulfuric acid, diamond and chlorine, they are non-metal, and there are large number of non-metal in which the total elements in our nature in 180, in which some of them metal and some of them non-metal. Okay children, now our lesson is going to be end, and if you see both part 1 and part 2, then you understand very well, otherwise you create problems. Okay children, so you take time in both part 1 and part 2, then I hope you will understand better. Okay, thank you.